Hey everyone, in this video, I'm showing you how to receive money on PayPal. So overall, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the full process of going and receiving money on PayPal and a few different ways you'll be able to do that. So any further ado, let's go and jump into that video. So now I'm on my PayPal, as you can see, and let's go and continue with this. Now, the first thing you need to do, because before you actually get money, you need to make sure you can go and either get it to your bank account or spend it again. Now, if you want to get it to your bank account, you need to connect a bank account to your PayPal account. To do this, all you want to do is come to the top and click wallet here and wait for it to load. And as you can see, you can then go and link a bank or link a card. To go and withdraw it to an account, you need to have a bank, but you can also just spend it on PayPal as well if you'd rather keep it in your PayPal account. Now, another quick note is as well, if it's large sums of money, people are gonna want verification. Now, this can be annoying, but it's just a small amount, you'll be fine and you won't need verification. But if you start getting thousands of pounds, you're gonna have to get verification, or there are a few of the main points I wanted to get out of the way. But now I want to show you the first method of going and getting PayPal money. Now, to go and receive PayPal money, the first way I recommend is actually using your email address. So the person who's sending you money will click on send and receive and type in your email, which is connected to your PayPal account. And then it's gonna come to your PayPal account. Now, another way of going and receiving money, which is even easier than having an email, is all you want to do is come up to the top right of PayPal where you see this sort of settings, this one, and all you want to do is click on the settings. All you want to do is click get PayPal.me, but currently, as you can see on the screen, that I don't have a PayPal link. Well, what we're going to do is create a new one. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the PayPal website. So getpaypal.me or paypal.me is essentially, it's a web page on PayPal, which is where people could send you money. So you just send them this link, which you click by creating getpaypal.me. So I'm going to create paypal.me link first, and you can add a photo like this. So just in the PayPal website, just click this grab your link. And then after that, create paypal.me profile. And then you can just put a photo and then choose your link. You can create a memorable link and share to get paid. Alright, so I have already created a PayPal link. So I'm going to click next and then agree with the terms and conditions and click agree and create. And then we're done creating the link of our PayPal. So just click done. And that's it. You can see here on the screen that I have already a PayPal link under my profile. So just copy this link like that. And then you're going to have this page where it's paypal.me / your username, and then people can go and get money there. I'll go and show you that now. As you can see, I have this paypal.me link, and when someone comes to this page, it's going to look like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. You can see that, right? So what we need to do is have the person who's sending you the money to paste this link in. It's gonna load you for the paypal.me page, and then they can go and send you money, or they can go and request money off you. So yeah, that is today's video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.